Nigeria Venk Machinery and Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2016. Customers visit us every day. Our Lagos factory is very popular among Nigerian customers. Our products include fully automatic laying hen cages, broiler cages, chick cages, feed processing equipment, and other farm equipment. Localized production reduces the purchase costs for customers and shortens the farm construction period. Venk provides transportation and installation. We have 4 installation teams. We provide lifetime, localized, after-sales service in Nigeria. We have rich local experience of building poultry farm turnkey projects. Contact us to get your personalized poultry farm solution. Contact us now for quotation.